back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are having a great day. Today I have decided to do a glow up. I had done one glow up on this particular YouTube channel and you guys seem to love it. So I thought I'll do a part 2 of that particular glow up. So basically in this video I'm going to do a glow up for the wedding season. And since I have started this series on my YouTube channel and that is known as the Wedding Saga. So this is going to be an episode of that particular series. In this particular video I'm going to cater to 3 problems that we all have. Firstly is hair, then facial skin, and then the whole body. So basically in this particular video I'm going to show you how to do hair spa, facial and body cleanup at home. So I hope you guys will like it. In case if you're not following me on my Instagram profile, then definitely go ahead and check out my Instagram and Facebook page. Everything is mentioned in the description box. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. Firstly, I'm going to start with the hair because that is a very crucial part whenever you're getting ready for your own wedding or you are going to attend someone else's wedding. So I'm going to show you an hair spa. This you can do at home under ₹50. So basically for this hair spa, you are going to need 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of honey and little bit of coconut oil. Mix the mixture very well and then apply it onto your scalp first and then apply it onto the lens. Keep this mixture onto your head for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour and later on go ahead and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Instead of going to the parlor and spending thousands of bucks for a hair spa, definitely go ahead and give this one a try. I personally love to try it, and just because I'm a bride to be, I do this once a week and I can see a relevant difference in my hair texture. The second step is to do facial at home. I'm not a person who likes to visit the parlor for a facial because those are very expensive. So I went ahead and ordered a kit for myself so that I can do facial at home. I went ahead and got this facial kit from Pond's. It is called their Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. They had 2 varieties. I ordered this one. I'm going to mention both the varieties, both the links in the description box. You can definitely go and check it out. Also, they have all the steps mentioned at the back of the box. So I'm going to follow each and every step now. The first step is to use a cleanser. I'm using the Pond's Deep Pore Cleanser. It has vitamin E. Apply this cleanser onto your face and also onto your neck and massage it in circular motion. Massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and later on wipe it off with a cotton pad. You can use dry cotton and if you want you can also use moist cotton. The second step is to use a scrub. I am using the Pond's Brightening Scrub. This particular scrub is enriched with walnut shell powder. Apply the scrub all over your face and massage it in circular motion. Keep the scrub for at least 5 to 7 minutes. After the scrub was done, I was so happy. My face was so smooth, like it removed all my blackheads and whiteheads. So in case if you're a person who has a lot of open pores or has a lot of issues regarding whiteheads or blackheads, then definitely try out this scrub. The third step is to use a nourishing cream. So I am using this nourishing cream that comes with the facial kit. It has vitamin B3 and vitamin E. It will hydrate your skin. Make sure you massage this cream very gently onto your face. I like to use my fingertips to massage this cream. After you have massaged this cream onto your face, you are going to see a shine onto your face. I really liked it. I didn't expect it to have this kind of effect on my face. I'll be very honest with you. But after I had applied it, I really liked it and my skin was glowing. The fourth step is to use a massage cream. I'm using the Pond's massage cream. Again, that comes in the kit as well. It has glycerin and vitamin E. Massage the cream really well onto your face and onto your neck and make sure you keep on massaging your face in small circular motion and you have to do it for 10 to 15 minutes. I believe the fourth step is the most crucial step, so make sure you massage the cream really well onto your skin. Keep on massaging your skin in small circular motion and keep on doing it. Also, whenever you're massaging your face, make sure you give it an upward stroke. Don't drag the skin in that way. It can lose its elasticity, so we don't want that. Keep on doing it in upward motion and in circular motion. Also, an important thing that I want to share is don't forget your neck area. Massage it for 10 to 15 minutes and later on you can wash it with normal water. Also, while massaging, I like to add few drops of water and then massage it because in that way it is easier for me to do the circular motion. And after the massage is done, you can see that your skin is glowing from within. All the tan is removed and you just feel that you have just went to the parlor and you came back with a facial. Then we are going to go ahead and apply a face mask. So this particular face mask has clay, glycerin, vitamin E and vitamin B3. It will help you to remove excess oil and will tighten your skin. Apply the mask in thin layer all over your face and please avoid your eye areas. Keep the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can wash it off with cold water. This particular mask will help you to tighten your skin, and in case if you have open pores, then it will help you to reduce those pores as well. The last step is to use the finishing cream. This particular cream has B3 and 12 SA. And voila, the facial is done. I hope you can see a relevant difference from the before to the after. I loved it. This is the first time I went ahead and used a Pond's Ka facial kit and my experience was really amazing. I went to my mom and told her the same thing and she was like she is going to use this kit like tomorrow or day after tomorrow because she loved the effect on me. The price of this particular facial kit is rupees 300. It is easily available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. All the links will be mentioned in the description box. Also, you can easily find it on a discounted price at Nykaa and Amazon. I got it on a discounted price. In case if you don't want to go ahead and buy online, then you can find it easily at your local retailer. Another good point about this particular facial kit is that all the products will come in tubes and bottles, which is very rare. For other facial kits that I have used in the past, I had seen that they come in sachets and once you have used it, they are completely gone. You can use it only one time, but this particular facial kit you can go ahead and use it 3 times, and for the price you're paying, like you're paying 300 and you're getting 3 facials, so I think it's a steal. So definitely go ahead and try this one out. This is the first time that I tried this particular facial kit and I really like it. So I'm gonna highly recommend you guys to give it a try. Again, I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. The third treatment that I'm gonna share with you guys is how to prepare a body polish scrub at home. So basically for this particular scrub, you will be needing little bit of crushed coffee. To this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oats and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Since this is the winter season, so my skin feels really dry, so I like to add little bit of coconut oil. In case if your body is badly tanned, then you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of tomato juice. This is an optional step. Take little bit of the scrub and massage your body really well. After you have done your massage, then keep this mask for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then go ahead and take a shower. This particular treatment is going to help you to get rid of tan, and also if you have dryness in your body, it will prevent that as well. So definitely go ahead and try out this mask. So that was a glow up session that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're seeing my face for the first time, I would love if you could go ahead and join my community and hit that subscribe button. And that is it about this video. I'm going to see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.